Good day po, teachers! Welcome back po dito sa Learning Pal, kung saan po tayo nag-share ng DepEd latest news and updates and free learning resources. So ngayon po ay quick update lang po tayo dahil may mga bagong labas po na PBB Saro from Department of Budget and Management. So ano po itong mga schools at divisions? So ngayon po, September 18, 2024, may mga lumabas pong Saro for performance-based bonus. So marami po naghihintay nito and I'm sure na maganda po itong simula ulit dahil medyo matagal po, no, yung mga bago pong performance-based bonus na Saro na lumabas. So ito po ay from Division of Isabela. So mabasa po natin na to cover the requirements for the fiscal year 2022 performance-based bonus pursuant to Executive Order Number 80 Series of 2012, and then this implemented by AO Interagency Task Force. So Division of Isabela, then we have also Division of Quirino, and then Adalam Region High School. We have also Alfredo Albano National High School. So meron na po tayong Saro for PBB. So malapit-lapit na po, no, na ito ay maayos at eventually ay pumasok na po sa ating ATM, no, pag okay na po lahat sa ating division. Then we have also Alicia National High School, Padad, Angadanan High School, Benito Sullivan National High School, Cabatuan National High School Main, Cagasat High School, Calanigan National High School. We have also Burgos National High School, Calang National High School Main, Delfin Albano High School Main, Dibuluan National High School, Don Mariano Marcos National High School, Doña Aurora National High School Main, Gamur Rural School, Isabela School of Fisheries, Jones Rural School, Lalawanan High School, Luna National High School, Mabini National High School, Muñoz National High School Main, Nagilian National High School, Palana National High School, Quezon National High School Main, Quirino National High School. Ito po mga schools ay from Saro of Region 2, no? Next we have Ramon National High School. So check po natin kung ito po yung ating mga schools. Reyna Mercedes Vocational and Industrial School, Rizal Region National High School, Alicia Isabela, Rojas National High School, Salinungan National High School, San Agustin National High School, San Antonio National High School, Delfin Albano, San Isidro National High School, San Jose National High School, San Mariano National High School Main, San Mateo Vocational and Industrial School, San Pablo National High School, San Diat National High School, Santa Maria National High School Main, St. Paul Vocational and Industrial High School. Meron din tayo from Santo Tomas National High School, Tumawini National High School, Ugad High School, Ranyag High School, Regional Science High School, Tumani National High School, Cabarogis National School of Arts and Trades, Defun National High School, Madela Comprehensive High School, Pinaripad National High School, Quirino General High School Main Campus, Saguday National High School, Victoria National High School, Division of Cagayan, Abulog National Rural and Vocational High School, Abulog School of Fisheries, Alcala Rural School, Alakapan Vocational High School, Amulong National High School. We have also Apari School of Arts and Trades, Bagao National Agricultural School, Bukig National Agriculture and Technical School, Calaminyogan High School, Peña Blanca National High School, Claveria Rural and Vocational School, Claveria of Arts and Trades, Enrile Vocational High School, Gataran National Trade School. So napakarami po, no? This is from Region 2, no? Itawes National Agriculture and Technological School, Sanchez Mira School of Trades and Arts and Trades, Solana Freshwater and Fishery School, Santa Ana Fishery National High School, Tuwao Vocational and Technical School, Vicente D. Trinidad National High School, Western Cagayan School of Arts and Trades, Division of Nueva Vizcaya, Alfonso Castañeda National High School, Aritaw National High School, Bagabag National High School, Bangbang National High School, Bintawan National High School. We have also Bonfal National High School, Diadi National High School, Lamon National High School, Dopax del Sur National High School, Casibo National Agricultural School, Nansiacan National High School, Nueva Vizcaya, General Comprehensive High School, Quezon National High School, Salinas National High School. So talaga pong marami pong schools, no, from Region 2 ang meron na pong SARO for their performance-based bonus. Solano, Odiawan, Division of Batanes, Don Manuel Javellana Memorial National High School, and Batanes National High School. And then ito po, nilagyan ko na po ng highlight, no? Itbayat National Agricultural High School in Batanes, Sabtang National School of Fisheries, Division of Santiago City, Cabulay High School, Divisoria High School, Rizal National High School, Santiago City National High School, Division of Tuguegarao City, Cagayan National High School, Gosi National High School, Linao National High School, Division of Ilagan City, Ilagan West National High School. And then also we have Isabela National High School, Isabela School of Arts and Trades, San Antonio Agricultural High School, Kawayan City National High School, Kawayan City Science and Technology High School. Okay po, we have also some state universities. We have University of Science and Technology of Southern Philippines, Cagayan de Oro Campus, and University of Science and Technology of Southern Philippines, Claveria Campus. So meron na rin po silang performance-based bonus for fiscal year 2022. So yun lang po muna, teachers. So to keep updated po, please subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification bell para pag may mga bago po tayong balita for performance-based bonus and salary differential ay ito po ay atin pong i-update agad. Yun lang po at maraming salamat!